Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Spotlight Collab, you guys. The challenge has been initiated. I'm teaming up with 5 amazing ladies to jumpstart this June. Okay, I'm excited. I hope you guys are. So I've already prepped my red iguana practice hand, guys, with the tips, and now I'm using my Model 1's number 8 brush and going in with Mia's Secrets Multi-Balance Natural, and we will be doing full cover of all these nails with that acrylic color. Now I always tell you guys that I do this as a clear layer, and I also cap with this color because it has little to no pigment. But right now we're going to be able to see exactly how much pigment it has. It has like a very light tinge of a pink, okay, on there. I am trying to contain my excitement, but your girl can't because the collaboration has started. I'm so excited. I'm so like nerdy to have friends. Like I'm I'm that girl. I am so glad I have friends. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad. Aren't you not glad that I have friends? You guys are glad for me. Y'all my people. Y'all are my people. So let me know how you guys are doing. I mentioned the collab in a video that I posted last week. So let me know what you guys' thoughts were. Like, are you excited to see what we put together? Me, Tessa from Sweet Tea Nails, Nessa from Nail Art by Nessa, as well as Naomi Nails, as well as Zora Williams. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Have you been thinking about as much as I have? You haven't, but y'all gonna love what we do together. All right, I've rambled on enough. Can we talk about this application? Ooh, y'all stand up and take a bow, okay? We are doing it out here. We are doing it. So now I'm going to show you guys a little bit of filing, okay? Because I want to maintain that stiletto shape. So I'm taking my 180 side, actually, from my Glitter Bells metal filing board, and I have gone and refined the sidewalls. I'm going over the surface of the nail, and I like to do sort of like an up and down, a vertical movement to just make sure that I have the surface as smooth as I can get it, and then I start contouring the sides and going in at the cuticle. And yeah, that's sort of my not filing routine. I just kept a little clip in there. I'm not gonna torture you guys with more filing. Okay, it gets a little bit weird on this end, right? Because I done bust out a pencil. Ooh, see, things are trippy up in this collab, okay? I bust out a pencil because I'm actually gonna be cutting out some of the areas of the nails and then reattaching it, and I need the pencil to give me those straight lines that I will be following. So as you can see, I'm creating sort of a triangle smile line, and then on the other end, I'm drawing basically the upside down triangle, and I will be cutting along those pencil areas. As you can see, I'm using my 5-in-1 bit. This is a coarse one, and I'm using it to just go along those lines and following those lines. And I do this on the surface of the nail as well as the underside of the nail, getting it as thin as I possibly can before I go in with either like cuticle scissors or nippers. You will see I use a combination of stuff because I know what the hell I was doing. To detach the parts of the nail. So basically we're gonna have 3 parts of the nail, and we're gonna reattach them in this really cool way. I can't even take credit for this awesomeness. I will show you who I'm basically recreating. So now I'm gonna start cutting this away, and some parts worked with the cuticles, scissors, as you can see. Like, no girl, no, figure this out. We learned, we grew a lot during this set, okay? Me and my 26 people that live in my head, we all grew. So now I'm going in with the nippers for this big chunk. And once I have it off, I now need to use my file. Again, the 180 side, and I'm refining those shapes. To be completely honest, I went from 100 to 180, depending on just how rough it was, that cut. And I needed to just sharpen those lines, refine it, make it nice and crispy. So I do this on the triangle smile line, as you can see. And I definitely get the undersides as well, because we did file under there as well. And then I take the bits of the nail, like the other parts, and I also start refining the shape on those as well. Y'all, my kid is making all the noise. So let me know how you guys are, if you're excited for the summer. it is summer here already. It's hot as hell in the Bahamas. It never stopped being summer, to be honest. It really didn't. So after we're like done filing and everything, here is what we have. Here's what we have. So I will be doing this on the middle finger and thumb as well, cutting away at these shapes. But let me tell you who our spotlight babes are. Oh my gosh, it's Tessa from Sweetie Nails and Nessa from Nail Art by Nessa. These are our spotlight babes for the first week of our spotlight collab, and it's basically these girls come together as a group, just as a team. They choose the theme that we'll be doing this week. We actually haven't shown each other what we've created at all, so that's really cool. And then they work on the themes themselves. We talk about them in our videos, they talk about each other, and it's all love. It's all nail art and love and women empowerment. So I'm attaching these little balls that I actually made from Gershon's polygel mixed in with a bit of Mia Secret Clear to thicken it up. I've used some gem glue, and now I've applied a little bit of gem glue on the top because now I'm going to be attaching the secondary piece of the nail. So here we go. It was a struggle. Do you see? Struggle. I figured it out off camera. Once I figured it out off camera, then I did it on camera. But this is the work of the beautiful Ashton Harlan on Instagram. Go follow her, you guys. I'm actually combining two of her very famous looks to, you know, in terms of this recreation, to sort of meet the challenge that Tessa and Nessa, the Essas, they know I was gonna do it. They know I was gonna do it. That they have set out for us to do. So now I'm reattaching those nails in this really intricate way. Let me just tell you, Ashton Harlan's brain, it works in a magnificent way. So for the actual nail art design, here is what I'm actually, another bit of her work that I'm actually going to be copying. So I am using my Model 1's number 2 solid gel cream, number 1, as well as a mix of 1323, which is their black, or is it 1348? I can't recall at the moment. Anyway, it is a mix of black, and I'm using my detail brush to draw these intricate lines. And you know, breaking up the nail like this sort of created the three-dimensional vibe that you get when you're looking through like one of those little Kaleidoscope, you know, binoculars, or like, you know, what is it? Is it like a not a telescope, spyglass? I think it's a spyglass. Anyway, however you're looking at a kaleidoscope, they tend to have like a 3D method. So I figured if I combine the two looks, I would be able to accomplish it. So I doing the pinky first. I cure it for a full 2 minutes because I didn't want this to run, and then I'm moving on to the rest of the fingers, and each finger basically has a different sort of way of drawing the lines. None of them look the same, which I think added to it, added to just how cool it is. And again, you know, I am so grateful to be able to do this spotlight challenge. And I actually met Nessa like a while back. She got me through quarantine. She don't know this, but she did. And we did a collaboration back in February. She was one of the amazing ladies that said, yes, Lisa, I will work with you. And I said, yes, thank you very much. So I love her and all the work that she does. I'm actually gonna highlight. Look at this. Look at who my friends are. Do you see how bomb this? Look, ooh, listen. Look at that. She's amazing. You need to go and hit her up on her Instagram page. Go and check out Sweetie Nails. Look at this. She's giving me vampire right now. I'm just saying, if you are under a rock and you don't know the amazingness that is Sweetie Nails, go. Also, she's a 90s baby. She know what's up. She know all the hip hop music. She be twerking. Actually, quite a few of her videos have had me twerking in the kitchen. I've actually sent her a couple of them. She has some really cool kids. Also, like, you know, their attitude is it. Their rap game is it. Them some swaggy kids that she has. I love everything that is. I love everything that is Tessa. She's gonna come and move with me to the Bahamas because we got bougainvilleas. She and hibiscus flowers. She knows she moving over here. She know. So guys, the next step to this artwork is actually getting in the colors. Now I wanted to get super summery with these colors. As you would notice, Ashton did the same as well. So this color is 1474, and I'm going to like draw an outline and then use the brush to feather it out and also just create some negative space. So I'm not going to fully cover everything up. So this is calendula number 4, guys, and I'm just going to proceed with a bunch of different colors until we fill quite a bit of gaps, and I'm also going to leave some unfilled. Next up, of course, new to me, but also like I feel like I've always known her. How did it take us so long to meet Nessa? Like, what's that even about? I came across her haul videos. She has the most amazing haul videos. Go and watch her haul videos. Okay, she's so great. She covers pricing, she covers how long it took to get there, and then her nail artwork. I'm learning so much from stamping from her. She's gonna get me through. Y'all know I'm not about a stamping, but she's gonna get me through it. Here are some of her my favorite looks from her. Look at this. How does she stamp but then apply polish but also get this cuticle area so clean? I don't understand. But she is something that has been missing in my life, and I have found her, and now we're friends, and I think you should go and support her and spam her with all the love. And then it's Flip. Flip is her mascot, okay? Look at this cat. Swag. You guys go and hit up my girls. Guys. So the blue that I was using is Model 1 Solid Cream number 17. The pink is Model 1's number 14. The yellow is number 15. And this green is a mix of Solid Cream number 13 and Christmas Tree. And now I'm just applying some stones, guys. These are, everyone has these stones. So I'll be adding some caviar beads, some silver caviar beads. And I'm just applying this with regular gem glue. And I think I go between green, pink, and orange. So I'm putting stones on the pinky, stones on the middle, and then stones on the thumb. So basically all of the nails that have that sort of a 3-4 dimensional, I'm not entirely sure which dimension we in, but we out here, look to them. So let me know what you guys think about the look so far. Please promise me that you will go and stop by Tessa's page, stop by Nessa's page, follow them on Instagram, subscribe to their YouTube channels, comment on the videos, like, share. Go and show them some love. Send them all the love in the world. Tell them that I sent you. Like I always tell you guys, if you start stalking people because I sent you over there, you get in trouble. I don't know you. Okay? Just want you to know that. So all of the while that I've been doing this artwork, I have been curing for a full 60 seconds. And while applying the stones, I also have been curing for a full 60 seconds, guys. And I hope you have enjoyed it so far. I also hope that you'll go and check out Ashton Harlan's page. So decorated she is as a nail artist. She inspires me so much. She didn't even follow this crazy girl that you guys know to be Lisa. What was she thinking? She's just a lovely person. That's what it is. So guys, I'm now finishing up this look by applying Canarine matte top coat, and I apply it all over the nails, even on those areas that I have filed, because I want a very overall look of matte, and I cure for a full 60 seconds. So top coat time means it's the end of the video. So let me know what you have thought about our first week. Please go and check out Naomi Nails videos, Sora Williams, Tessa from Sweet Tea Nails, Nessa's nail art. Let's go and check out these videos. Go and support these ladies. Support us as we try to support each other. And we're sending out massive love to all of you. Remember how important it is to support each other. Women supporting women, people supporting people is all what it's about. I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in next week's challenge, because that's when I'm up, okay? Here is a picture and video of the finished look. I love you guys so much for watching. Look forward to the product list below. And I promise to see you guys in the next one. Bye.